Dear Harry, hi, it's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm sitting in the living room writing this letter. It's a lovely day outside. The weather is great. The sun's shining. And the birds are singing. My dog, Paddles, is sitting beside me and looking at me. Her big brown eyes. The eyes are asking me for some food, but I'm not giving her anything because she's getting fat. I'm learning Spanish now. At evening college. My Spanish is improving slowly. I like my teacher. She's doing an excellent job. I'm really enjoying my class. I hope you are well and happy, and that your family is also well. Please write to me soon. Bye for now, Jenny.